Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the unit of temperature in the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Booking app, and here it opens up in the search menu where we have where we can look for accommodations. From here we have to tap on profile, then we have to scroll down, tap on settings, and here under the device settings section we tap on temperature, and we can select either be in Celsius or Fahrenheit. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.